Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this hair tutorial using old bundles. This is a closure wig that I made look like a lace frontal. So if you would like to see how I achieve this wig, then keep on watching. Alright, so starting off, I'm just showing you guys that I braided my hair straight back into 2 cornrow braids, and then I will be applying 2 wave caps. This is so the glue won't seep through onto my natural hair. Alright, so now that we have our 3rd cap on, I'm going to proceed to gluing my closure onto my head. Now you want to apply, well, you don't want to apply too much glue to where it's like running off everywhere, but you want to apply a generous amount just so your closure can adhere to the weaving cap. Now when you put on your closure, you do want to bring your closure about 1/2 inch in front of the weaving cap, and you just want to go ahead and just press down and just make sure you're firmly applying the closure onto the cap without any lumps or humps anywhere on the closure. Alright, so next I'm just going to use my Chi blow dryer, and I'm just going to make sure that the closure is flat and secure onto the weaving next before I go on to the next step. Alright, y'all. Oh my goodness, don't mind the glue on my face. Hey, it got real, okay? Now that I'm done doing that, I'm just going to take that and secure it out the way so I can go ahead and start gluing my tracks. Alright, so taking my bundles, I'm just going to apply my glue along the wefts, and I am going to take some of my spritz and I'm going to spray it on my cap, and I'm just going to start laying my bundles in and gluing them in until I get to the top. Alright y'all, when y'all get to the front right here, you want to start laying this first track right here, how I'm laying it, because when you're out and about and let's just say the wind's blowing or whatever it may be, you don't want any of your tracks to be showing. You want to be like blowing in the wind fabulous, you know what I mean? So laying these tracks right here in the front will prevent anything showing if the wind was to blow. And I'm just going to commence to laying my tracks as normal. Now that I have glued everything in, I am then going to go back in and sew just my closure. Now you have an option, you can sew your bundles in as well, but me, I'm being lazy. I didn't really want to. I'm just sewing my closure, and the reason why I'm just sewing my closure is because when I go in to cut the cap, I need something to hold or keep the neck together or keep my wig together. You know, so I'm sewing in the cap to the net. So when I cut up under it, you know, my wig will still be attached. And I'm going to let you guys see what I'm talking about when it gets to that part. Alright y'all, so this is what I was talking about right here. You're going to cut off the cap right here because we don't need that black cap up under the lace closure. So just cut that off. And the reason why you sewn it is because you need to keep the cap or the wig intact with the lace closure. Hope that makes sense. Next, I just rinsed the wig out. It did have some conditioner in there from the color I did previously, and I just rinsed it out and dried it. Now I'm just going to attach a band inside my wig just to give my wig a more of a snug fit. So here I'm just bringing the band around and just showing you guys where it's comfortable at, and you know, that's pretty secure. It ain't going anywhere, sis. And now I'm just customizing this closure, trying to make it look as natural as possible. I did not bleach the knot, so that's why you can kind of see like a little line right there on the edge of the closure. That's okay, because we're gonna work this closure, y'all. We're gonna get it to make look as natural as possible. And right here I'm just adding some concealer, LA Pro Girl Conceal in the color Fawn. And I'm just adding that because again I did not bleach my knot. So I wanted to look like scalp as much as possible, so that's why I went in with the makeup, the concealer. Now, I just want to show you guys, this brush is everything, y'all. You see how I'm like rotating it? It makes your closure or your frontal flat as possible, y'all. I love that. And then I'm just taking some serum hair oil I got from Small Spas out of Walmart. The salon is out of Walmart. Yeah, and I'm just applying that and going over it with my hot comb to further lay my closure. Go back in with that brush. I'm just brushing my hair out, and I am giving myself some bangs, or cutting myself some bangs, I should say. And then that's it, y'all. That's just pretty much it. And then I just put my little scarf on or whatever and let that sit. I did my makeup, of course, off camera, and I curled and styled this wig, and I did that off camera, and this is the finished look. Yes, oh my God, I never do color, y'all. I never do color, but I'm digging this green look. I thought it was gonna be too much, but it's cute. It's cute. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification button for new weekly videos. And until next time, you guys, I'll see y'all on my next tutorial. Bye bye.